Hi, I have also created a simulator application for this. Suppose if the robotic vehicle is not available, we can use this application to demonstrate the project. So I have the glove in and I have the Zigbee which was receiving the commands on the vehicle in a development board connected to the computer, laptop in my case. So I will just zoom this in. I search ports, it's right now connected on port 3, so it comes up with port 3, COM3. I press connect. It starts giving me star, which is a default value for the accelerometer, since the accelerometer is not in measuring mode and I can just move my glove with a hand without any problem. So I press one of the FSRs to switch it on, and you can see the commands come in with the appropriate data. So if I have to go forward, both of them are green, left motor and the right motor. If I have to go backward, both of them are red, which means there is a reverse direction. If I go right, if I do my hand left, it shows right motor. If I do it left backwards, it shows right motor in the reverse direction. So it shows a number of commands like this, and it also works with the indicator. For example, if I do left, it shows on the left in the commands, and on the left whatever the indicator colors are. And these two things right now tells that accelerometer sensor is currently on. I'll just zoom this in a bit. This shows accelerometer sensor is currently on, but if I do it off, it says that it's not connected. Though the glove is connected, the wireless module is powered at baud rates 9600 and it's still transmitting the commands, but the overall glove module is like the accelerometer module is not connected, which means that we can talk, freely move our hand without actually making the robot go mad and move in all the directions. That's it. Thank you.